Ever heard of an app called OnPay? If you haven't, you're not alone. It's a question that's been popping up more and more lately. So, is there really an OnPay app? Before we dive into that, let's understand why this question is even relevant. In today's digital age, apps have become an integral part of our lives. From banking to shopping, there's an app for almost everything. So, it's natural for people to wonder if there's an app specifically designed for payments. The OnPay myth. The short answer is no. There's no official OnPay app. The name OnPay seems to have gained popularity through various online discussions and social media posts. However, there's no concrete evidence of a legitimate app associated with that name. Possible origins of OnPay. Online scams. One possibility is that OnPay might be connected to online scams. Scammers often create fake apps or websites with misleading names to trick people into sharing personal information or financial details. Misinformation. Another possibility is that the name OnPay might have been misheard or misinterpreted from other similar apps or services. Sometimes, misinformation spreads quickly online, leading to confusion and false beliefs. Popular payment apps. Comparing alternatives. If you're looking for reliable payment apps, there are several popular options available. Let's explore some of the most widely used ones. Google Pay. A convenient and secure way to make payments using your smartphone. It integrates seamlessly with various online and offline merchants. Apple Pay. Similar to Google Pay, Apple Pay offers a contactless payment solution for Apple devices. It's widely accepted in stores and online. PayPal. A popular online payment platform that allows you to send and receive money, shop online, and even accept payments for your business. Venmo. A peer-to-peer payment app that's particularly popular for splitting bills and sending money to friends and family. Staying safe online. Avoiding scams. When it comes to online payments, it's essential to be cautious and avoid falling victim to scams. Here are some tips to stay safe. Verify app authenticity. Always download apps from official app stores like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Be wary of apps downloaded from other sources, as they might be malicious. Protect personal information. Never share sensitive information like your credit card number or login credentials with unknown or suspicious apps or websites. Be mindful of phishing attempts. Watch out for phishing emails or messages that try to trick you into clicking on malicious links or providing personal details. In conclusion, there's no official OnPay app. The name seems to have gained popularity through online discussions and misinformation. If you're looking for reliable payment apps, consider popular options like Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, or Venmo. Always prioritize your online safety and be cautious of scams. If you have any further questions about payment apps or online security, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech-related content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.